How to add another debit card on Cash App. Let's get started. First, launch your Cash App on a mobile device. Log in using your credentials. After you log in, tap on your profile icon, usually located in the top right corner. Select Linked Banks or Linked Accounts from the menu. Tap on Add Debit Card. Enter the debit card number, expiration date, CVV, and chip code. Tap Add Card to confirm it. Now enter the details of your new debit card number, expiration date, CVV, billing zip code, and tap on Save Card to finalize the change. Check your bank account for a small transaction or code sent by Cash App. Enter the verification details in the app if prompted. Make a small transaction or transfer to ensure the card is working correctly. By following these steps, you can easily add or change your debit card on Cash App. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.